Welcome to the video about Module 10, Augmented and Virtual Reality in CSS. In this module, you can gather some basic information about augmented and virtual reality and also learn about key terms for creating 360-degree videos, gaining a better insight in these marvelous technologies and how do they work in practice. This video will explain in brief general introduction about virtual and augmented reality, introduction to virtual reality video recap, 360 production craving up, 360 production camera components and the basics, advanced production techniques. Unit 1. Introduction to virtual and augmented reality. At the very beginning, the Unit 1 will present general concept of virtual and augmented reality. What is their purpose and what are the differences between them? In the next step, some specific information will be presented about virtual reality technology such as virtual reality and the importance of audio, HMD plus smartphone virtual reality. Also, more specific information will be presented about augmented reality technology and its key takeaways. Unit 2. Introduction to VR Video Recap. The Unit 2 introduces VR video and some of its important components such as the VR spectrum, 6 degrees of freedom, position orientation, point of view and field of view, as well as some other equally important components. Unit 3. 360 production craving up. The Unit 3 presents the teamwork on creating 360 VR videos. What are the advantages if we work on the video by ourselves or if we are part of a smaller group made of 2 or 3 members? Who would be necessary to build a professional team? In this unit, users can learn about production preparation techniques such as storyboarding, overhead diagrams and blocking shots, shot lists, scheduling, planning and experience recap, and production recap writing. Unit 4. Camera components and the basics. For the best 360 camera management, it is important to understand its basic functions. When looking at the different types of recording cameras, it is important to understand how they work. We'll start with a resolution that will determine how much visual information your camera can capture. A further consideration is understanding lenses, which have their greatest impact on the way videos are shot. It is also important to understand frame rate and dynamic range. VR 360 productions share many functions when creating 2D content, but there are some important differences to be aware of. The following elements will help you understand how to record and produce good content: distance to camera, lighting, audio sound, spatial audio, and more. Unit 5. Advanced production techniques. Unit 5 covers VR post-production and publishing. Users will learn about editing by computer, sharing VR videos to YouTube, the editing workflow in VR 360 post-production, and VR post-production and publishing recap. This video has given you a rough overview of Module 10, Augmented and Virtual Reality in CSS. In the module materials, you can find more in-depth information on all the topics that we have outlined in our presentation of the module content. Module 10 is the last one in the row under the Digital Culture course. After this video, users can log in to the course on our website and find various materials available under each module in various formats, such as textual, video, audio, presentation, and other. Course materials from all 10 modules are collected, organized, and presented with main purpose to invite, encourage, and enable users to search for more in-depth information on all the topics outlined through our Digital Culture course Intro video, using it as a unique source of knowledge. We hope you will enjoy in this course and it will become your useful tool for research on how to use advanced technologies, how to select the proper one for your creative and cultural contents, and how to gain the edge in today's highly competitive working business environment.